This year, in 2018, the 11th Master Year of our world service, are you hearing a call? That unmistakable pull from within that says, I'm worthy. My life has meaning. I'm here to make a difference, expanding into my unlimited cosmic potential. Now, if what I'm saying is resonating with you, then hear this. We're reaching a critical mass here on Earth, a critical mass into higher consciousness, and your participation in this is vital. We need you. We need you to use your voice, share your message, your wisdom, become the leader by example, from soul, from the heart. I'm Elizabeth Peru, and it's my world service to help you remember who you are and your role here on Earth, guiding you to live it. Join with me and other world leaders in human potential in September in London at the Hay House I Can Do It conference. Together we'll experience our soul, and together we'll be as one.